Hello, Kalungi. Today is a nice day here in San Pedro, Belize, and I'm going to teach you about number lines. Sorry. Number lines. So, the simplest number line has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on. This number line keeps going, and every tick mark from one to the next increases by 1. It also goes just as far in the other direction. -1, -2, -3, -4. In fact, we can make this line keep on going as far as we want it to go. There's no end. It goes very, very far. -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14, -15. It goes on as far as you want it to go. We can just keep making tick marks and either count down by 1 or count up by 1 from 0. We can also have other kinds of number lines. Maybe they'll start at 0 and they'll count down by 5. -5, -10, -15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. This is a number line that every time it goes up from 0, up from 5, up from 10 to 15, every time it increases by 5. Every time it goes down, it decreases by 5. Decreases by 5. Decreases by 5. We can also have a number line that increases by 2s for every tick mark. But maybe we don't have to specify a number for every tick mark. So maybe we start at 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Now, even though I'm not specifying what every tick mark is, it's still implied. We have 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. And it keeps going on from there, 52, 54, and so on. So, if we draw another number line, and let's say we count by tens. We can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's say this is 0, and then if we're counting by tens, this would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. And so if I point to this one and I say, okay, what is this number? Even though I don't have a number next to this tick mark, I can still see, okay, this is counting by tens because it goes 0. It must be 0. This is how I know. It's because from 0 to 50, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 50 divided by 10, or sorry, divided by 5 is 10. It must be 10, 20, 30, 40. The answer is 40, pointing to this tick mark. And let's look at this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the difference between 100 and 50 is 50. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tick marks in between 50 and 100. So if we divide 50 by 5, we know that it's 10 spaces per tick mark. So that means it's going 50 plus 10 is 60, plus 10 is 70, plus 10 is 80, plus 10 is 90, plus 10 is 100. There's nothing else that could work for this. We know it's not increasing by 7, otherwise we'd have 57, 64, 71, 78, 85. And we know it's not increasing by 7 because we know we have to start at 50 and end at 100. That's how we can tell that if there's a difference of 50 and there's 5 tick marks, it has to be 10 spaces per tick mark, or 10 per tick mark. So, okay, now let's look at this one. I'll show you one more time. Starting at 100, going to 150, there's, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 150 minus 100, the difference between these two, is equal to 50. And we divide that by how many tick marks there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once again, it equals 10 spaces per tick mark. That's how we know that it's 110. I'm kind of running out of room. I have to write small. 120, 130, 140, and then 150. Yeah. Okay. With that in mind, I would like you to try this one. And I'll send you a picture of this. Can you please tell me what number the arrow is pointing to on this number line? Starting at 120, 130, 140. Good luck and thank you.